Things I no longer buy from the store. Number 2, hot dog buns. To get started, weigh or measure your wheat berries. I'll be using about 3.5 cups of hard white wheat berries for this recipe. Next, in a glass measuring cup, warm up 1 cup of water and 4 tablespoons of butter. Stir to dissolve the butter and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir again to dissolve. Add this mixture to your mixer, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Add the flour to the mixer and mix until incorporated. Cover and wait for 15 minutes. This allows the fresh milled flour to absorb the liquid. After 15 minutes, add 2.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Knead until the dough is nice and soft and smooth. It should pass a windowpane test. In my Bosch mixer, this takes about 8 to 10 minutes. When you're done kneading the dough, remove it from the mixer, shape it into a ball, put it in an oiled bowl, and rotate it around to cover the dough ball in oil. Place a lid on your bowl and allow it to rise for 1 hour or until doubled. After the dough has doubled, I weigh it and divide the total weight by 12. That tells me how much each dough ball should weigh before I shape the buns. I find that right about 60 grams of dough makes the perfect size hot dog bun for this recipe. So I divide them all out to about 59 or 60 grams until I've got 12 dough balls. Then I flatten out each ball into a rectangle, roll it up, and tuck the ends underneath. I continue to do this for all of the hot dog buns until I've got all 12 ready to go. This recipe could easily be used for making hamburger buns as well, but for tonight I'm making hot dog buns because we're having chili dogs, and I know there'll be leftovers. So instead of half and half like I usually do, I made all 12 into hot dog buns tonight. The shaping can take a little bit of practice if you're new to this, but really, they all turn out okay and they're all edible, so really it doesn't matter what they look like, they taste delicious. After everything is shaped and complete, cover them with a towel and wait about 30 minutes. I did dampen my towel so that the dough didn't dry out. They are nice and puffy and the oven is preheated and they are ready to bake. Place these in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches about 190 degrees and the tops are nice and golden.